So in this video, we're going to be talking about how you can build a signature brand voice. So in one of my videos, I say that your brand voice is the way you sound in all your communications, is the personality, is the rhythm, is the tone behind your communication. Okay, it's not just about the words you say, but how you say it. Okay, now making your brand voice a signature brand voice is about sticking to a particular personality, sticking to a particular tone in all your messaging, in all your platforms. Okay, constant repetition is what makes your brand voice a signature one. It's what makes your brand voice known, because for you to become a signature, it means that this is what people know you for. Okay, now the first step in creating a signature brand voice is, first you have to start with your personality. Okay, what do people know you for? Okay, what energy do you always carry in all your messaging? Okay, do you carry a bold energy? Do you carry a calm energy? Do you carry a playful one? Do you carry a direct one? Do you carry a bold energy? Okay, a bold personality. Okay, your personality is kind of the foundation through which your brand voice is being created. Okay, is the emotional anchor through which your brand voice is being created. If you don't have a personality, your messaging will just be generic. It will not have any foothold. Okay, so your personality, it plays a great role in creating your brand voice. Okay, in creating your brand voice, your personality is very, very important, because whatever personality that you project is what your brand voice should show. Okay, now the next step is your brand tone. Okay, now your brand tone is very, very important. Your brand tone is very, very important. Now your brand tone is the way you express your personality in different situations. Okay, it's the way you express your personality in different situations. Okay, it's the way your personality changes. Okay, is the verbal change in your personality depending on the context or situation. Now I will explain what I mean by that. Okay, let's say that you have a bold and confident personality. Okay, and you want to address the audience in several situations. Let's say that you want to kind of motivate them. Okay, now you can sound motivational, you can sound supportive, you can sound confident. All these tones falls under being bold and be confident. Okay, your tone can change, but your personality still remains the same. Do you understand me? It can change. Your personality still remains. Okay, let's say that you have a friendly personality, but you can sound sympathetic, you can sound calm, you can sound reassuring. Okay, all these tones, it falls under having a friendly personality. Okay, let's go back to the bold personality now. With the bold personality, okay, let's say you want to motivate them. Okay, you can say something like, you can say something like, you have what it takes to push beyond your limits. You are motivating them. Okay, let's say that you want to sound supportive. You can say that, I know that this is a big step, but you've already prepared for it, so go for it. You are kind of supporting them. Okay, you are kind of supporting them. Let's say that you want to sound confident. You can tell them, here's what you do, here's what you need to do next. All these things, all these statements, all these tones, confidence, motivational, supportive, it all falls under being bold and confident, or bold and confident. Okay, supportive, you have a supportive tone, you have a confident tone, you have a motivational tone. Okay, it all falls under that personality of being bold and being confident. Okay, so your tone, your brand tone, is how you express that your bold personality. Your brand tone is how you express your personality based on the situation. Okay, based on the situation, or based on the context you are facing. I don't know if you understand me. Okay, so now the combination of your brand personality and your brand tone is what creates your brand voice. Okay, it's what creates your brand voice. The combination of your brand tone and your brand personality is what creates your brand voice. Okay, let's just take it that your brand tone is what brings your personality alive, depending on the situation. Okay, it's what brings your personality alive depending on the situation. Okay, now how do you now make your brand now you have created the brand voice? Okay, how do you now make your brand voice a signature brand voice? Now you make it a signature brand voice by repeatability. Okay, you by consistency. You need to be consistent. Okay, because that it's not about creating a perfect brand voice. You need to it's not about creating a perfect brand voice. Okay, it's about predictability. Okay, people need to be able to, whenever they see your content, whenever they see you, they need to be able to know that, okay, this is the person. Okay, they need to be able to expect that particular brand voice from you, whether or not they see your name. Okay, you need to be able to expect that particular brand voice, that particular voice from you. Okay, is that particular voice from you. So your brand, your brand voice, it acts as a kind of differentiator in a crowded market. Okay, or in a noisy market, it acts as a kind of differentiator. It enables people to identify you even without your logo, even without your color, even without your name. They will be able to identify you because of that personality, that personality that you have, that brand, that voice that you have. Okay, your brand voice should show in your content. It should show in even your emails. It should show in even the way you even attend to your customers. Okay, it should replicate in all your brand touch points. In every way your customer interacts with your brand voice should be able to replicate there. Do you understand me? Okay, so consistency and repeatability of your brand voice is how your brand voice now becomes what? Your signature.